Welcome to YouTube channel. Hi friends, this is your Prabhu Kumar studying second year MCom in Coimbatore University, Gnana Sayadri Shankarghatta. As my curriculum activity, I have chosen project topic on green banking practices and selected banks in Karnataka. Friends, do you know green banking? After this presentation, I promise definitely you will get idea about green banking. Friends, first we discussed about introduction about green banking. Green banking is comparatively a new development in financial world. Green banking is an umbrella term referring to practices and guidelines to make a bank sustainable in economy. Green banking means promoting an environmental friendly practices and reducing carbon footprint from banking activities. This comes in many forms: using online banking instead of branch banking, paying bills online instead of mailing them, opening up CDs and money market accounts at online banks instead of large multi-branch banks, or finding the local banks in area that is taking the biggest steps to support local green initiatives. Any combinations of the above personal banking practices can help the environment. Friends, next we discussed about meaning of green banking. Green banking refers to the banking business conducted in such areas and in such manner that helps to overall reductions of external carbon emissions and internal carbon footprint. Green banking is like a normal bank which considers all the social and environmental ecological factors. It aims to protect the environment and conserves natural resources. It is also called as ethical bank or sustainable bank. They are controlled by the some authorities but with an additional agenda towards taking care of the earth, environment or habits or resources. Next part is green banking product. There are 5 important products of green banking. First one is green loans, means giving loans to project or business that is considered environmental sustainable. Second one, green mortgages, refers to type of mortgage that provides you a money savings discount or a bigger loan than normally permitted as a reward for making energy efficient improvements or for buying a home that meets particular energy efficiency standards. Third one, green credit cards, be it in form of environmentally friendly rewards or using biodegradable credit card materials or promoting paperless banking. And credit cards are going green. Fourth one, green saving accounts. In case of green saving accounts, banks make donation on the basis of savings done by customers. The more they save, the more the environment benefits in form of contributions or donation done by banks. Last one, mobile banking and online banking. These new age banking form of include less paperwork, less mail and less travel to branch office by bank customer, all of which has positive impact on the environment. Extra mode for green banking products. First one, go online. Second one, use green banking, use green credit cards and green money market accounts and remote deposit. And last one, online and mobile banking. Every task and every decision having two phases. One is advantages and next one is disadvantages. Likewise, green banking also has a two phases, such as advantages and disadvantages. First, let me know about advantages. Advantages about green banking. Basically, ethical banking avoids as much paperwork as possible and rely on online or electronic transaction for processing so that you get the green credit cards and green mortgages. Less paperwork means less cutting of trees. Second one, creating awareness to business people about environmental and social responsibility, enabling them to do environmental friendly business practice. Third one, advantages. Green banks adopt and implement environmental standards for lending, which is really a proactive idea that would enable eco-friendly business practices, which would be benefit our future generation. When you are awarded with a loan, the interest of the loan of comparatively less with normal banks, because ethical banks give more importance to environmental friendly factors. Ecological gains. Natural resources conservation is also one of the underleveled principles of green bank while assessing capital or operating loans to extracting and industrial business sector. disadvantages of green banking. First one, difficult to operate. Banking sites can be difficult to navigate at a first. Getting acquired with the banking site software may require some time to read the tutorials in order to become comfortable in your virtual lobby. Second one, customer care. There is a no personal contact with any of the staff, and if talk to any staff through the telephone, you have guarantee you are talking to the best person available. Under its campaign, are Ariali Industrial and Bank Limited inaugurated Mumbai first solar-powered ATM to save 1980 kilowatts of energy annually. It is also supporting various environment-friendly finance programs and projects. IDBI has been actively complementing Government of India policies, initiatives and targets set of sustainable economic development and environment protection. ICICI Bank's green initiatives range from green offering or incentives, green engagement to green communication to their customers. Paperless initiatives like e-statements and e-greetings and helped ICICI Bank save 30,000 trees from being felled in 2009 and 10. Besides cutting down spending on stationery by Rs 7.3 crores of saving of green banking issues. Steps taken by banks for green banking related practices. First one, State Bank of India launched its green channel counter facility at 15 selected branches as a step towards paperless green banking for deposit, withdrawal and remittance transaction. With these facilities, the customers need to fill up any pay in any slips or draw checks for depositing or withdrawing of money from their accounts. At the green channel counter, there is a point of sales machine and on which the customer swipes his card is then asked by the machine to select the type of transaction. First one is cash deposit, cash withdrawal and fund transfer, and thus the transaction is completed without paper usage. SBI became the first bank in the country to venture into generations of green power by installing windmills for captive use. As a part of its green banking initiatives, it installed 10 windmills with aggregate capacity of 15 MW. The states of Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra and Gujarat. Green banking supporting banks are initiative banks. First one, ICICI Bank. Second one, Punjab National Bank. Third one, IndusLand Bank. Fourth one, Axis Banks. These are all banks are initiated for green banking related issues. Banks are responsible corporate citizens. Banks believe that every small green bank steps taken today would go to a long way. Axis Bank. The recycling initiative of Axis Bank under the green banking banner has helped the bank productively use around 21,522 kilograms of dry waste during the year. Punjab National Bank launched green e-Williams for the bank which invites paperless dealings in complete diligence procedures through e-network which drastically cuts down cost and time. Finally, we will discuss about suggestions part. Make customer more and more aware about green banking through their websites. Promoting different forms of electronic banking. Third one, creating customers awareness through the media. Fourth one, carbon footprint reduction by saving energy and paper. Fifth one, carbon footprint reduction by offering transportation services for their employees. Sixth one, providing environment friendly rewards to customer. Seventh one, by financing more and more environment friendly projects. Eighth one, join hands in more and more environment preserving causes. Ninth one, focus on creating IT infrastructure. Finally, I would like to conclude that though even today the success or failure of green banking has been analyzed for green banking is making progress, though its profit margins far below than the other commercial banks. Green banking requires a paradigmatic change in thinking about economics, business and finance. Its success would be greater if the world government started to revise their economic paradigmatics from being monetary economics to ecological economics and begin to transform their accounting principle from purely being financial into ecological or operational energy accounting patterns. Thank you so much. like and share and comments, please. Thank you so much. Please like and share.